Graders, it's Miss Beverly. I'm out here in our beautiful sensory garden. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm out here in our beautiful sensory garden, and I'm going to get ready to read a book to you because you guys have your STEM day today. And I want you to enjoy a wonderful book. It's called Mighty Magnets, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Mighty Magnets. It was written by Nadia Higgins and illustrated by Andre Martinez Ricci. Or Ricci. Mighty Magnets is the title of your book. Here's your table of contents. Okay, these are all the different things that are going to be in the book. So where does it stick? Let's go on a mission, a magnet sticking mission. Pull a magnet off the fridge and see where it will stay. Warning, don't use magnets near computers or other electronics. Magnets could pull things loose and damage these devices. You guys are going to do an activity with magnets today to see what sort of things you can pull with your fishing pole. Your magnet didn't hang on tree bark, leaves, or dog fur. These things are non-magnetic. It only stuck to metal things, but magnets do not stick to all metal things. Magnets pull on iron. They also pull on metal that has a lot of iron in it, such as steel. Paper clips, nails, and needles are made of iron. They scoot to magnets. Coins and jewelry stay put. Junkyards have huge magnets that can pick up tons of steel. Remember that. You're going to need to know that in just a little while. What does it work through? The door of your fridge doesn't look like metal, so why does your magnet stick to it? There must be iron underneath the door's colored coating. A magnet could work through your earlobe and maybe even your fingertip. Try it. Magnets can work through plastic, paper, and other non-magnetic things as long as they're thin enough. And actually, you're going to need to know that in a few minutes too, so keep that part in mind. Magnetic fields. Tie a thread around a paper clip, then hold your magnet sideways. Place the tip of the paper clip to the bottom of the magnet so that it dangles. Now gently pull the thread down. The paper clip floats. I wonder why that is. Is it because of a magnetic field? Heating or hammering a magnet can destroy its power. Keep pulling and the paper clip drops to the floor. A magnetic field is the invisible space around a magnet where its power can be felt. When the paperclip was floating, it was inside the magnetic field. When it dropped, it was outside the field. Temporary magnets. Hang a nail from the end of a magnet. Now touch another nail to that nail. It stays. Add more nails. How many will stay? That's something you guys can try at home. The nails turned into temporary magnets. Iron things become magnets when they are inside a magnetic field. Test a magnet's strength. Take 2 magnets and see which one can hold more nails. It's not necessarily the bigger one, and you guys are going to test 2 magnets at the end of your project. But the nails won't stick to each other if the magnet is too far away. Iron things lose their power when they are outside the magnetic field, outside a magnetic field. Magnetic poles. Rub a steel marble along a magnet. Why does the marble keep flying to the magnet's ends? The ends are the magnet's poles. The poles are the strongest parts of a magnet. All magnets have 2 poles. The poles are have 2 poles. The poles are in different places depending on the magnet's shape. The poles are often marked with the letters N and S. Why? There are two kinds of magnetic poles. N stands for North Pole and S stands for South Pole. Grab two magnets and try to make their north poles touch. Now try with the south poles. It's difficult. Lay a magnet near a table's edge. Can you use another magnet to push it off the table? Don't let the magnets touch. Poles that are alike repel or push apart. Now touch a south pole with a north pole. It's easy. Poles that are different attract or pull together, and I know you guys know that part. Mighty magnets. Now you know that magnets have power. That power can be put to work. The magnets inside machines could get confused by outside magnets. Keep magnets away from these devices. Magnets are hidden inside motorized gadgets around your home. The magnets make motors go. What else do mighty magnets do? The end.